Hello friends. Today we are going to learn from Ikigai by Hector Garcia and Francesc Morales. Meaning of Ikigai. A Japanese concept, literally translates to a reason for being, a reason to get up in the morning, to enjoy the meaning of life, passion, purpose, something one lives for. 10 Rules of Ikigai. Stay active and don't retire. Leave urgency behind and adopt a slower pace of life. Only eat until you are 80% full. Surround yourself with good friends. Get in shape through daily, gentle exercise. Smile more and acknowledge people around you. Reconnect with nature. Give thanks to everything that brightens your day and makes you feel alive. Live in the moment. Follow your passion. Thank you.